Hey guys, I think this video might end up being pointless today as the market is already showing you its true colors. What I was going to tell everybody before this move down happened was don't look to take any longs today until price is above 860. All right, until price is above 860. We're using the same significant level setup as yesterday, and we can see that if we break 870, we were then looking for 740, and it's very possible we can go down even further than that. But 740 is a very important key level. Do not sleep on 740. If you see price hit 740 and turn, that could still be the low for the day. So don't, at this point, with price being at 15,815, you're only looking for shorts until price gets to 740. Once price is at 740, that's when you can start to look at longs. Just be patient. If it hits 740 early and it bounces up, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 points even, back up to 840, 850, 860 area, that is the area to short. And then if price magically is able to get above 860 today, that is a very clear long play out. So just to be clear, right now should just be basically looking short and looking for 740 as a price target. And then once we hit 740, you can either, ride with the short and see if 740 can break through, or look to start taking longs around the 740 area up to the 840, 860 area. All right, hope this helps. Take care, bye. Okay, so we listened to the pre-market analysis, and now we get to see the replay right after the analysis. So here's our level that we discussed, that we would look to take longs if price went above here, and then we would start to look to take shorts if price is below here. Basically, don't take any longs until price was above here, and then, so take shorts underneath it. And then once price got here, this would be a very hard level to break, and either you need to take your profit or, secure some profit and let the runner do what it's going to do. So let's hit play and see how the analysis pre-market turned out today. So there's the potential long, which TP1 would hit. It's showing a breakout that is then a false break, and we get a breakout to the downside. And this is the short of the day, just like we talked about. And look at how when it comes to 740, it just hung around here. It just hung around this area. Pretty cool, right? So really nice trading day. I hope everybody had an amazing day trading. It's definitely a great market to trade today. It was very, very clear. Feels nice when you're trading in the summer and the market's slower to be able to get a day like this. That was really nice. All right. So as you can see, the analysis was pretty good. I know it helped a lot of my members in my Discord, a lot of my students. I know it helped them, got a lot of positive feedback about the video, and I'm happy the analysis worked out so nicely for today. All right, thanks for watching.